This is the Realme 11 Pro 5G, the company's new mid-range offering which shares a lot of hardware with its priciest sibling, the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G. Both Realme 11 Pro series phones feature the same design, processor, display and battery capacity. What's different is the camera system and fast charging tech. Here's a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Realme 11 Pro 5G. The Realme 11 Pro comes packed in this dual-tone yellow and black retail box. Lift the box lid and you'll find a yellow cover with the Dare to Leap text on it that packs a SIM eject tool, some documents and a transparent case. Next, we have the Realme 11 Pro in the sunrise beige color, which looks stunning in my opinion. More about the phone in a bit. The box also packs an 80-watt SuperVOOC charging adapter and a USB Type-A to Type-C cable. The sunrise beige color of the Realme 11 Pro uses vegan leather for the rear panel. The textured surface along with the curved body does help offer good grip while also looking premium. The gold-colored stitch-like design running through the center also adds to the look. The frame is made of plastic and houses the power and volume buttons on the right side. At the bottom, you get the USB Type-C port, a speaker grill and the hybrid SIM slot. One of the key highlights of the Realme 11 Pro is its display. It has the same 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display found in the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. The curved edge screen has a hole punch cutout at the top and fairly thin bezels around it. The curved screen not only looks premium but also offers an immersive viewing experience while consuming content. There is a massive circular module on the back, but it only houses a dual camera setup and an LED flash. There is a 100-megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor with a portrait lens. For the price, I wish Realme had offered an ultra-wide camera. For selfies, you get a 16-megapixel front camera. The Realme 11 Pro has a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 SoC and a 5000 mAh battery. The phone is available in 3 variants with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage. While you do get an 80-watt charging brick in the box, the device supports 67-watt fast charging. The phone also features Android 13-based Realme UI 4.0, which offers many personalization and customization options. That being said, the skin is heavily bloated with several third-party apps on top of Realme and Google's apps, which also come pre-installed. We'll try and bring you the full review of the 11 Pro soon, but in the meantime, you can read our review of the Realme 11 Pro Plus on Gadget360.com.